Papa Ganesh there. I'm not sure you're going to get him. He's a bit dark. Right, and then if we pan up, if I can pan up, we've got a nice seated bar picnic there. Beautiful. Oh, need to come up a bit more. Beautiful. And if you look around the base, here, we've got a lot more reclining. We've got the rat. We've got black. We've got blue. We've got gold. All different hues and sizes and colours. Those beautiful elephants, and look, there's the reclining one that's seen better days. Let's pop you down a moment, and hopefully you can see something. Well, I'm not sure how much of the video is going to come out. As I say, I certainly think none of the early ones have taken. I think this is the 4th place I've been to today. I think probably the first 2 are going to be kaput, because there didn't seem to be any time elapsed on the counter. Oops. So yeah, I've got a feeling they're kaput. Just bear with me 1 second. Right, but that's Ganesha World. If you like Ganesha, or if you like elephants, come to Ganesha World in Nakhon Nayok. Look, we've got all the hermits here. Lots and lots of different interpretations, versions of the hermits. Some more bar picnics. And there's lots more around here. We've got I think an amulet store here. Oh, there's Tumru, the one where you press your forehead against the finger. Yeah, look, we've got an amulet store there. I might have a look in that in a minute. Just gonna have a very quick look while the battery's still going. At the back, although this is probably going to be silent now because of the music. Just various Ganeshas in various poses, standing, sitting. Some kangaroos. Not sure why. A tight roll, and I think that's about it for Ganesha World. Yes. Right. I might see you later. I might not. Bye.